What's the meaning of acquired characteristic? Acquired characteristic. Acquired characteristic. Acquired characteristic. Acquired characteristic. Acquired characteristic. The term acquired characteristic refers to a physical or behavioral trait that is not encoded in an organism's DNA but is instead gained through environmental factors or experiences during an individual's lifetime. The theory of acquired characteristics was popularized by the naturalist Jean-Baptiste Lamarck in the 18th century but has since been largely discredited by modern genetics. While certain traits can be influenced by external factors, such as muscle development from exercise or language acquisition from exposure to different cultures, these traits are not inherited and cannot be passed down to offspring.